Have you ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue? The answer is simpler than you think. Let's explain it step by step, in the easiest way possible. First, we need to understand one important thing. Sunlight is not just white. Light from the sun looks white to our eyes, but it is actually made of many colors. These colors are the same ones you see in a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When sunlight travels through space, it moves in a straight line, but when it reaches Earth, it enters our atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds our planet. It is full of tiny particles and gas molecules, even if we cannot see them. When sunlight hits these tiny particles in the atmosphere, the light gets scattered. This means it spreads out in many different directions. But not all colors scatter in the same way. Blue light travels in shorter, smaller waves. Red light travels in longer, bigger waves. The tiny particles in the atmosphere are much better at scattering shorter waves than longer ones, so blue light is scattered much more than red light. Because blue light spreads out across the sky in every direction, we see blue no matter where we look during the day. That is why the sky looks blue. You might ask, why not violet? Violet light actually scatters even more than blue light. However, our eyes are more sensitive to blue than violet. Also, some violet light is absorbed by the upper atmosphere, so the color we mainly see is blue. Now let's think about sunset. When the sun is low in the sky, the light must travel through much more atmosphere before reaching our eyes. Most of the blue light gets scattered away before it reaches us. The longer waves, like red and orange, continue traveling more directly to our eyes. That is why sunsets often look red, orange, or pink. So in simple words, sunlight has many colors. The atmosphere scatters blue light more than other colors. Our eyes see the scattered blue light everywhere in the sky. And that is the easiest explanation ever for why the sky is blue. Science can be simple and beautiful at the same time. If you enjoyed this simple and clear explanation, give the video a like to support the channel. Subscribe so you do not miss any videos about science explained in an easy and interesting way. And turn on the notification bell to be informed whenever a new video is published.